What's poppin', Chef? In today's video, I'll be showing you 4 platforms to upload your Jersey Club tracks for free. Now, there's a lot of platforms to upload your Jersey Club tracks, but why these 4? Now, these 4 are known for having a lot of Jersey Club producers already, and there's a ease to using these platforms compared to other platforms, and it's also free. So if you're just starting out, this would be a good way to get your feet wet releasing your own Jersey Club tracks. And up first we have SoundCloud. Now, SoundCloud is very well known to the Jersey Club community, but it's also known for their takedowns, and it's not so easy organic reach. A pro would also be you get to monetize. Monetizing your track is a great way to get money for your track as well. I'll be making a separate video on monetizing, but SoundCloud is one. Up next we have AudioMack. AudioMack is a great alternative to SoundCloud. Organic reach is a lot better. You can also monetize on AudioMack. I feel like AudioMack doesn't get the credit it deserves. It's a really nice platform. It also has takedowns as well, but it's not as frequent as SoundCloud. Not too many Jersey Club producers that I know of use AudioMack, but it's still a great alternative. Maybe you can be the producer or DJ that makes AudioMack known for Jersey Club. Up next, we have this new platform called Audius. I don't know if I'm pronouncing the name right, but this is a very good platform. It's brand new. You can upload as many tracks as you want. There's no takedowns. It even has its own Jersey Club genre compared to SoundCloud and AudioMack. The organic reach is good. I wouldn't say as good as AudioMack, but Audius is brand new still, so give it time. I'm interested to see on where it goes. Hey Chef, if you're enjoying this video, make sure you like and subscribe. It'll help the algorithm. Also, I just launched my Patreon where you can join the ID Club Resort, where you can get tons of tips, features, in detail videos, different content, and more. Feel free to join the Patreon. The link will be in the description below. And last but not least, we have BandCamp. BandCamp, you can monetize your tracks. You can sell merch. You can upload as many tracks as you want, and you can have a little community of your fans, supporting you. BandCamp, they do take a fee though, but besides that, it's a very good platform as well. But yeah, these are the 4 platforms to get your feet wet and releasing your Jersey Club tracks. Let me know what platforms you use to release your Jersey Club tracks, and I'll see you in the next one.